Hey guys, this is Peter Soma with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to walk you through our 2020 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer outboard. Let's take a look. We'll start at the back here. This boat is powered with 3 Mercury 250 Verado outboards. You do have the Axios propulsion system on this boat, so docking is a breeze. First little storage compartment back here. There's a short power cord in there, but it is a great spot for your lines and fenders. This boat obviously is also available in stern as well. As we make our way in, we'll have a nice little sprayer there. Again, wipe your feet, kind of clean them on and off when you're getting back on the boat. Stereo remote there. There's also one up in the front, in the bow. So you can kind of change the tunes wherever you're at. Making our way in. Nice Kenyan cooktop here. On the other side, our sink. Wine chiller there. And trash receptacle. Up top, we'll notice that these sunshade switches right here, so you can see that this will come out up on the hard top, extend all the way back here. Again, just kind of giving you some nice coverage from the sun. Apologize for the wetness. We just had a little bit of a rainstorm. You can see that this boat has the dune color interior with the infinity woven flooring. Cockpit table. There's also a table up in the bow. So again, just a lot of space to kind of hang out here. Companion side here, this seat is pushed forward. It can be pushed back. So again, we just kind of have a lot of seating here in the front. If you want to change it up a little bit, again, just nice spot to sit. As we look up on the hard top, actually, you can see that this does open up a little bit. Kind of give you a... Well, again, it did rain, so I might not want to do that, right? Yeah. At the helm, double wide companion chairs with thigh-high bolsters individual of each other, so you can sit up a little bit. If not, your partner can sit down. Like I said, Axios propulsion system, so you do have the skyhook capabilities, and digital throttle here. You also do have air conditioning in the cockpit, as well as the cabin down below. A little bit more on the helm here. Twin Simrad displays. Obviously all of your halo switching for your accent lights. Again, just a nice clean look here. Moving down, you can see the forward V-berth that is in its cushioned position, but again, you can remove those cushions up. Kind of give yourself a nice little cockpit table there, a nice little table down below. Our head compartment with shower. And you have another berth down below as well in the back. Filler cushion is in there, but you can have 2. Again, there's a TV back there, a TV in the front. And you have a nice little microwave and fridge there. Again, nice air conditioning down there as well. There is a generator on this boat. As we make our way up here to the bow, again, a lot of seating up here. Again, we can kind of sit in some different positions. Our stereo remote is over here. Plethora of cup holders all throughout the boat. Nice bracket for our table here. Nice bow rail, so again, you are secured in this boat. You have tons of spots to grab on if it gets a little rocky out there, but you won't. Our windlass anchor with controls. Alright guys, again, this is Peter Soma with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I may have missed a few options, so if I haven't, come on in, we'll check the boat out together, alright? You can feel free to come in or visit us online. Thank you.